Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we will explore Advanced Micro Devices in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 27th of January, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 24th, 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.76. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a loss of -6.37%. This results in an average loss of -3.19% per day since it was identified as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests within the center of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decline is anticipated. The current 3-month trend points to a possible change of approximately -21.65% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from -28% to -15.19%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a predicted change of -25.46% over the next year, with a possible return varying from -32.93% to +1.67%. This translates to a price range between $77.14 and $116.93 after a year. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline: Advanced Micro Devices stock price fell more than 6.37% on Monday, closing at $115.01. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price decreased by 6.37% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 27th of January, 2025, dropping from $122.84 to $115.01. This marks a decline for 3 consecutive days. Throughout the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 4.67%, reaching a low of $112.80 and a high of $118.07. The price has shown volatility during this period, resulting in a loss of 0.89% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 29 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 60 million shares were exchanged, totaling approximately $6.94 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $227.30, while the lowest was $112.80. Currently, the price stands at 49.4%, or $112.29, below the 52-week high of $227.30, which is also the all-time high for the stock. AMD stock has recently experienced notable downward pressure, with shares declining by approximately 7% in today's trading. This drop occurs within a larger context where AMD has struggled to leverage the current artificial intelligence boom, contrasting sharply with competitors like NVIDIA, which continues to exceed expectations in revenue and earnings growth. Despite these short-term hurdles, some analysts express optimism about AMD's future. Recent advancements in the company's financials, particularly in data center revenue, have resulted in an upgrade of its rating from hold to buy. Analysts anticipate strong earnings per share growth of over 25% in the coming years, reflecting confidence in the company's recovery potential. The growing demand for data center solutions could provide a significant advantage for AMD, particularly as public cloud providers seek cost-effective alternatives. However, current market sentiment remains uncertain, influenced by concerns related to DeepSeek technology, which might affect AMD's market positioning if customers choose more affordable chips. In the long term, if AMD can successfully navigate these challenges and enhance its market share in the artificial intelligence sector, it may boost investor confidence and stabilize its stock price. Ultimately, the effectiveness with which AMD manages its product offerings in comparison to its competitors will be crucial in determining both its short and long-term stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned AMD an overweight rating, accompanied by a hold action. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, Goldman Sachs reported a neutral rating for AMD, along with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025, HSBC provided AMD with a reduce rating and a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 10th of December, 2024, Bank of America Securities rated AMD as positive, while also taking a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, Goldman Sachs gave AMD a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of Advanced Micro Devices is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between the two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During any upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at the levels of $120.97 and $124.77. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, January 22, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 7.06%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 60 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average has a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 60 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 54 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions turn unfavorable, the stock may experience significant declines in the upcoming days. This stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of $5.27 between its high and low, which reflects a movement of 4.67%. In the past week, the daily average volatility has been approximately 2.99%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A notably high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 4th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.07. It is important to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Advanced Micro Devices is at $116.04. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below this level, indicating that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Exercise caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On January 15, 2025, Haneva executed an insider sale of 12,095 shares of RSU Award. On January 15, 2025, Haneva executed an insider purchase of 12,095 shares of common stock. On January 15, 2025, Haneva executed an insider sale of 4,813 shares of common stock. On January 15, 2025, Huinjak executed an insider purchase of 1,773 shares of common stock. On January 15, 2025, Huinjak executed an insider sale of 498 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is positive with a ratio of 4.117. Overall, insiders purchased 1,928,672 shares and sold 1,727,737 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative assessment for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Currently, Advanced Micro Devices presents several negative signals and is positioned within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that it will likely continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks. As a result, our assessment of this stock remains negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 28th of January, we expect Advanced Micro Devices to open at approximately 28 cents and begin trading at $115.29. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day, with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.